Looking for the best solar pond filter kit in 2026? In this video, we review the top solar pond filter kits and waterfall systems that keep your pond clean, healthy, and beautifully flowing without increasing your electricity bill. We'll compare filtration performance, water flow, ease of installation, and overall value to help you choose the perfect system for your garden pond, water feature, or backyard oasis. Number 3. The Ampere 40-watt solar pond pump with filter kit is a versatile all-in-one solution for maintaining clean, healthy ponds while adding an attractive fountain or waterfall to your outdoor space. Designed for ponds up to 480 gallons, this kit combines efficient filtration, reliable water circulation, and solar-powered operation, making it an eco-friendly choice for garden ponds, koi ponds, fountains, and DIY water features. At the heart of the system is a 40-watt foldable monocrystalline solar panel that captures sunlight efficiently to power the pump without requiring household electricity. The foldable design makes storage, transport, and installation more convenient. The integrated 3-stage filtration system uses 2 filter sponges, 10 bioballs, and ceramic filter media to remove debris, improve water clarity, and support a healthier environment for fish and aquatic plants. The quiet, upgraded pump includes anti-dry burn protection to help extend its lifespan. 4 interchangeable fountain nozzles and a diverter valve allow you to create different spray patterns or operate both a fountain and waterfall simultaneously. Adjustable flow control makes it easy to customize the water display to suit your landscape. Early customer feedback has been positive. One reviewer praised the kit's sturdy construction and complete accessory package after successfully testing it indoors, noting that everything worked exactly as advertised. They also appreciated the vibrant design and durable feel, expressing confidence in its long-term outdoor performance. Overall, the Ampere 40-watt solar pond pump with filter kit delivers dependable filtration, flexible water features, and energy-saving solar power, making it an excellent investment for enhancing backyard ponds and water gardens. Number 2. The Fessler 30-watt solar pond filter kit is a convenient all-in-one solution for keeping small to medium-sized ponds, koi ponds, fish tanks, and water gardens clean while adding an attractive fountain or waterfall feature. Powered by a 30-watt high-efficiency solar panel, the system operates without electricity, making it an environmentally friendly and cost-effective option for outdoor water features. The kit includes a 210 GPH brushless submersible pump, a filter box, fountain nozzles, and 6.6 feet of tubing for waterfall installation. Its 3-stage filtration system, consisting of filter sponges, bioballs, and ceramic rings, effectively removes debris, improves water clarity, and supports a healthier environment for fish, turtles, and aquatic plants. An adjustable flow valve allows you to customize water output and easily switch between fountain and waterfall modes. The pump operates quietly while providing steady water circulation and oxygenation. Built-in dry run protection helps prevent damage if water levels become too low, extending the pump's lifespan. Installation is simple. Just position the solar panel in direct sunlight, submerge the filter box, and the system is ready to operate without complicated wiring or tools. Customer feedback has been positive, with users praising the quick setup and dependable performance. One reviewer noted that the fountain and waterfall features added an attractive touch to their backyard pond, while the filtration system noticeably improved water quality. They also appreciated the quiet operation and adjustable water flow. Overall, the Fessler 30-watt solar pond filter kit offers reliable filtration, easy maintenance, and attractive water features, making it an excellent value for homeowners seeking an eco-friendly pond care solution. Number 1. The Papasoap 55-watt solar pond waterfall spillway, P5552S, is an all-in-one solar-powered waterfall kit designed to create an attractive, low-maintenance water feature while improving pond water quality. Featuring a 55-watt high-efficiency solar panel, a 580 GPH pond pump, and a durable 304 stainless steel spillway, this system delivers a smooth, natural waterfall without requiring electrical outlets or increasing energy costs. One of its standout features is the 4-stage filtration system, which includes a filter basket, pump filter bag, filter sponge, and ceramic rings. Together, these components capture debris, reduce pump clogging, and help maintain cleaner, healthier water for koi fish, aquatic plants, and other pond life. The included 9.8-foot leak-resistant corrugated tube and dual installation options, either buried or externally mounted, make it easy to customize the waterfall to suit your landscape. The stainless steel spillway is corrosion-resistant and built to withstand outdoor conditions, while the pump operates quietly at 40 dB or less, creating a peaceful and relaxing waterfall sound. Customer reviews highlight its ease of installation and impressive performance. One buyer successfully tested it in a pool before deciding to build a modern water feature at their home's entrance, praising the compact solar panels and flexible placement. Another user loved the instant waterfall effect, noting that it produced beautiful water movement and natural sound with minimal effort. The only limitation mentioned is that, without battery backup, it operates only in direct sunlight. Overall, the Papaso P5552S is an excellent eco-friendly choice for enhancing ponds, gardens, and outdoor water features. Thanks for watching our Best Solar Pond Filter Kits Review 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect solar-powered filter kit to keep your pond clean, clear, and healthy. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and buying guides. Let us know in the comments which solar pond filter kit is your favorite or share your experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.